Number 4 is FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 3D Printer. When finding the best 3D printer for creating gun frames, the FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 is a standout option. This impressive machine takes productivity to a new level with its independent dual extruders. Imagine being able to print 2 gun frames simultaneously, cutting your printing time in half. The Creator Pro 2 also offers 4 exciting print modes to experiment with. You can mirror your designs, duplicate them, print with dual filaments, or even create captivating dual-color prints. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to bring your gun frame designs to life with stunning detail and realism. One of the standout features of this printer is its heating bed. It rapidly and steadily heats up, ensuring your models won't warp during printing. Plus, it supports a wide range of filaments, including ABS, PLA, PVA, and HIPS. This versatility allows you to experiment with different materials and achieve your gun frame's desired strength and finish. With the removable cover, you have complete control over the chamber temperature. For PLA filament printing, remove the surface to prevent nozzle clogs. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.